Hello everyone, welcome to my Excel Analytic project presentation. Today I will walk you through a comprehensive retail data analysis using Excel, covering everything from data cleaning to creating an interactive dashboard. This project analyzed over 5 lakh transactions with 9.7 million euro across 38 countries. So this is what we built, an interactive retail analytic dashboard. Let me show you how I did it step by step. First, I start with the data quality using Excel's remove duplicate features. I ensured by unique transaction were analyzed. I also used CountIF to validate the results, creating a clean dataset foundation for all subsequent analysis. This step was crucial because clean data means accurate insights. I verified all 8 columns were checked during duplicate removals to maintain data integrity. Moving to task 2, that is the cancellation analysis. For cancellation, I used the left-hand if function to flag transactions starting with a C, then calculated 4,49,000 euro in cancelled values using the sum if. We get the key insights from the cancellation analysis that the 4,49,000 euro in cancelled transaction represents substantial lost revenue, indicating potential issues in order fulfillment, customer satisfaction or payment processing that require immediate attention. And we get the business recommendation like root cause investigation, process improvement implementation, cancellation rate monitoring, customer communication enhancement, and data collection improvement. And moving to task 3, that is sales performance analysis. So for the sales analysis, I created a pivot table to identify top performing products. Interestingly, I found that the best selling item by quantity aren't always the highest revenue generators. For example, here the World War II glitters um, sold the most unit but didn't make the top 5 by revenue. The real star was the Jumbo Bad Red Retro Sport. It appeared in both lists. So we get the business recommendations like strategic pricing adjustment, start product optimization, service revenue protection, cross-selling strategy, inventory rebalancing, customer recommendation, product development direction as the business recommendations. Into task 4, that is pricing analysis. So this pricing analysis revealed that only 8% of the product are premium items priced above 7.95 euro using percentile. I established this threshold and flagged 433 premium products. So from the pricing strategy analysis, we get the premium price threshold established, 433 products identified as premium tires, educational and organizational product command highest prices, clear pricing tires emerge from data, quality must match premium positioning, strategy pricing opportunities identified, and we get the business recommendation like premium product strategy, return rate invention, customer tire optimization, geographic expansion, pricing architecture, invention and assortment, seasonal planning, and dashboard utilization. Moving to customer analysis, this task 5. So for the customer analysis, I identified top 10 customers using SumIf and rank. The top 3 customers alone accurate on 26% of the revenue, showing significant concentration and a risk. That is high customer concentration risk. The top 3 customers collectively spent 7,23,249 euro, representing over 26% of the total 2.76 million euro revenue analyzed, indicating significant dependency on a small customer base. And data quality issue identified. The highest spending entry shows blank customers ID with 1.49 million, suggesting data collection gaps where the customer's information wasn't captured, potentially representing gust checkouts or system errors. Steep value drop off. Spending decreases sharply after the top 3 customers with for the customer 4 spending 30% less than the customer 3, revealing a significant gap between the most valuable customer and the rest. Revenue distribution. Top 10 customers generated 2.7 million euro in revenue with clear tires. Top 3, then top 3, next top 4, and the bottom 3 showing distinctive customer value segments. So we get the business recommendation like VIP customer retention program. Immediately implement a dedicated account management program for customers. that is the top three customers offering exclusive benefits, personalized service, and proactive engagement to protect this the critical revenue stream. And the data capture improvement, tiered customer strategy, revenue diversification initiative, blank ID revenue recovery. And moving to temporal sales trends, that is so analyzing the monthly trends showed clear seasonal patterns with November being the peak sales month. I used the text function to extract months and created a line chart to show the sales fluctuation. And moving to task 7, the geographically, the United Kingdom dominate with 91 percentage of transactions. I created a pivot table using CountIF to analyze transactions by country, revealing opportunities for international expansion. So for the temporal sales trends, we get the business recommendation like peak season preparation, December performance analysis, revenue smoothing strategy, monthly forecasting model, data collection enhancement. And for the geographical insights, we as we mentioned earlier that the United Kingdom accounts for 4,90,300 in transactions, demonstrating overwhelming domestic market concentration and minimal geographic diversification. So European market focus after the UK, all top 10 markets are European, like Germany, France, Spain, Netherlands, Belgium, Switzerland, Portugal, Norway, Italy, indicating a clear regional business strategy or logistical limitations. Transaction volume tiers. Market fall into distinct tiers, the UK, the secondary European markets, and the territory global markets, showing clear prioritization in market development. Data quality issues for 442 transactions showed as unspecified and some as blank, representing missed opportunities for geographic analysis and target marketing. And we get the business recommendation like UK market protection strategy, European market development, international market testing, data quality improvement, tiered market approach, and logistic optimization. Next task is product return analysis. That is, return rate analysis showed most product have low returns, but one product had 71 percentage. One product has 71 percentage return rate. That is a critical finding. I used some if and if function to calculate the return rates. So the product return rate analysis, overall healthy return policy. The majority of the product shown low return rates, indicating generally good product quality and customer satisfaction across most of the product portfolio. Critical outlier identified. Product 21777, that is the number shows an alarming 71 percentage of the returning rate, representing a severe quality description or fulfillment issues requiring immediate attention. And a high quality product performance, best selling product, that is the white hanging heart light holder with 41,681 units sold, maintain a manageable 6 percentage return rate. Zero return products are there, that is the two products show 0 percentage returns, indicating excellent customer satisfaction and a potential of expanding promotion. Modern return concerns, two products, set 7 babushka nesting boxes at 7 percentage and white hanging heart light holder at 6 percentage, fall into median return category, warranting monitoring but not emergency intervention. So we get the business recommendations, immediate product discontinuation, remove the product 2177 recipe box with metal heart from inventory immediate and investigate root causes before considering reintroduction. Return rate threshold implementation, establish company policy, automatically review any product exceeding 5 percentage return rate and discontinue any product exceeding 10 percentage return rate unless corrective actions are implemented. And we have high perform analysis, modern return product review, return recent tracking enhancement, supplier performance monitoring, and customer feedback integration. Moving to task 9, that is for customer segmentation. I used Quartile to set spending threshold and categorized customers into high, medium, and low tiers for targeted market. Threshold issues, the segmentation shows the questionable tier, assigning with the customer spending as a little as 343 euro being classified as high tier, alongside customer spending 132 euro, suggesting either incorrect quartile threshold or data anomalies in the section logic. Negative spending anomaly. Customers 14627 shows negative spending, indicating either return exceeding purchase or data calculation errors that need investigation before segmentation analysis. High tier concentration. All displayed customers, that is 28 records, are classified as high tier, indicating either skewed customer spending distribution or threshold miscalculation that places too many customers in the top category. Spending range variability. Within high tier alone, spending ranges from negative value to 132k euro, showing extremely wide variation that suggests the need for sub-segmentation within the higher tier category. So business recommendation for this is threshold revaluation. Recalculate quartile thresholds using the quartile.inc cover function on clean spending data, ensuring proper separation between high, medium, and low tiers based on actual spending distribution. And the data quality correction. Investigate and correct negative spending values and verify all spending calculation before segmentation to ensure tier assignments reflect actual customer value. Sub-tier development. Within the high tier, create subcategories. For example, platinum for top 5%, gold for next 15%, to enable more targeted marketing and appropriate resource allocation based on true customers' value. Segmentation validation. Compare your tier assignments with industry benchmark or historical customer behavior to ensure segmentation aligns with realistic customer value patterns rather than mathematical artifacts. And dynamic segmentation system. Implement a system where customer tiers are recalculated quarterly to reflect changing spending patterns, ensuring marketing efforts target currently valuable customers rather than historical value ones. And tier specific strategy development also needed, and the anomaly investigation protocol is also needed. And moving to the next task, that is the final dashboard. I combined all the pivot table charts and slices into one comprehensive view. The KPI card for total sales, average sales, and uh, the transaction count were displayed, and the dynamic chart for top products and monthly trends, interactive slices for country, and the date filtering. All elements are connected for real time update. So, from the dashboard, we can, so this is my final dashboard. The key insights are here, the like comprehensive data integration, interactive filtering framework, visualization diversity, and data quality visualization. So this is my project, and thanks for watching.